Field Agent is a popular app that allows you to earn money by completing small tasks in your local area. These tasks can range from taking photos of store displays, checking prices, or answering questions about products. The app has become increasingly popular because it offers users a simple way to make extra cash on the side. Once you download the app, you'll need to create an account and set up your profile. Afterward, you'll be able to browse available tasks in your location. Tasks vary in difficulty and payout, so you'll want to choose the ones that fit your time and skills best. Some of the tasks can be completed quickly, while others require more effort. Payment is usually made via PayPal, and it's important to note that payments are typically small, but add up over time. The more tasks you complete, the more you can earn. There are also occasional bonuses for completing multiple tasks or specific challenges, which can be a nice incentive to stay active. Field Agent can be a great tool for people who want to make money in their spare time, but it's not without its drawbacks. The available tasks are often location dependent, so if you live in an area with limited opportunities, it can be difficult to find enough tasks to consistently earn money. Additionally, some tasks may require you to spend money upfront, which can eat into your earnings. While the app is relatively user-friendly, there are times when tasks don't load properly or there's a delay in payment processing. This can be frustrating, but these issues are not overly common. One thing that sets Field Agent apart from other cashback apps is its variety of tasks. Rather than just offering cashback on purchases, Field Agent gives you the opportunity to earn money for completing small jobs in your area. This adds a level of engagement that many other apps lack. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In conclusion, Field Agent is a solid app for those who want to earn extra cash in their free time. The tasks can be simple and easy, but the app's limitations may make it less useful for people who live in more remote or underserved areas. If you're looking for a fun and flexible way to make money, this app could be a good choice, but don't expect to make a full-time income from it. I'd recommend it as a side gig, rather than a primary source of income. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and user experiences.